I am Monty Lamazzi. I am an assembler here at HOTSTART. I assemble our hot flow systems that go on large generators. Specifically, I put on a lot of different components, from heating element system, control box, wiring. It can be anywhere from just the very start of the assembly process or all the way at the end where I'm testing and putting it away and sending it to the customer. The line I work on is pretty much start to finish each individual product. Over the last 6 years, I've learned quite a bit through HOTSTART. I've learned a lot about different types of assembly processes, a lot of different types of electronic controls that I didn't know about. I have helped on many projects through our CI team, which is continuous improvement, where I'm actually just not producing units, but we're making the system to do so better. And we've had a lot of different projects like that where I get to learn more than just the day-to-day building of a system, which I've felt was really rewarding. The level of training that goes into an employee is high here, and it tends to leave the employee feel like they're being cared for. You know, it's tough when you get a new job and then you're just thrown into it and then expected to sink or swim. Here you're taught to swim before you're pushed out into the pool. I've been with HOTSTART for 6 years. What's funny is I used to actually deliver electronic components to HOTSTART from one of their suppliers. So I spent every day coming and seeing the guys here, seeing how clean it was, how happy everybody was, and then hearing their stories about how great HOTSTART was to their employees. Being open to change, being open to learning, that's the best skill that you could have. I mean, if you're open to that process of learning, pretty much everything here is available to you. It's pretty fast paced. I will build up to 50 units a day on my line alone. So on those busier days, from the moment I walk in, pretty much to the moment I leave, I've got maybe some music playing in my headphones, and I'm just down working. I enjoy the work that I do because it's very dynamic. There are a lot of different steps to the process. It's a quick pace, and it always keeps your mind engaged. There's very few times that I end up in the day questioning, what am I going to do next? Oh, I'm bored, or any of those kind of idle things. Even though we're busy, the line that I work on with several other guys, we're joking, we're having fun, we're still enjoying the day, even though we're working hard. A few years ago, we started a lean manufacturing process, trying to convert a lot of our existing manufacturing lines over to that lean style process where it's a single piece flow, there's more control of the quality, it gives you a faster, maybe a little bit faster pace, but it allows you to control each step of the process better. As far as opportunities to grow, HOTSTART is incredible. They are all about encouraging the employee in their personal life and their personal growth and their career growth. I can go to school and they'll help pay, though I can try to find, if I wanted a higher level, if I wanted to be an engineer, they'll help. They would help me with the schooling, they would help me with the work scheduling and everything. And then the true story, they'll go around and hire that person afterwards after they've become the engineer.